Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide or show notifications on your lock screen on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your settings. This is your main hub for customizing how your Pixel operates, and it's where you'll find all the privacy and display options you need. Once you're in settings, scroll down and find the option labeled Display and Touch, then tap on it. This section controls everything related to your screen from brightness to how information appears when your phone is locked. Next, you'll see an option called Lock Screen. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you can manage what content shows up when your device is locked, giving you control over your privacy and what others can see without unlocking your phone. Now tap on Notifications on Lock Screen. This specific setting determines whether your incoming messages, alerts, and app notifications are visible to anyone who picks up your phone while it's still locked. It's an important feature for balancing convenience with privacy. Here you'll see an option that says Show on Lock Screen, and there's a toggle button right beside it. This toggle controls whether your notifications appear on your lock screen or stay completely hidden until you unlock your device. To hide notifications from appearing on your lock screen, simply tap the toggle button to turn it off. Once it's off, your notifications will no longer be visible when your phone is locked, which is great if you want to keep your messages and alerts private from people around you. Now, if you want to show notifications again, just tap the toggle button once more to turn it on. This will allow all your notifications to appear on your lock screen so you can quickly glance at updates without needing to unlock your phone every time. And that's it. You've now adjusted your lock screen notification settings on your Google Pixel 8 Pro to match your privacy preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.